How to know if your phone has been hacked? Here are some signs. You notice something you don't recognize on your phone, like apps you didn't install, messages you didn't send, suspicious phone calls, a larger phone bill. Your phone works slow. It uses way more resources and battery power, and becomes hotter than usual. Some hacker-initiated operations might reduce its power significantly. Your data usage increases dramatically without any changes on your part. Malicious processes might be consuming your mobile data in the background as they track what you do. Your phone behaves strangely. The apps do not run the way they should. It switches on and off unexpectedly, or applications crash or fail to load. Pop-ups appear. If you notice lots of pop-ups appearing on your screen, you probably have spyware or malware. Stay safe online. For more online security tips, don't forget to subscribe to the NordVPN YouTube channel.